Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and understand that it's not normal that you do not have a battery percentage. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to restart the device to reset the battery sensor. So we're going to press the power button and keep on holding it for at least 4 seconds. Do not mind the Gemini popping up, just tap on the reboot, and as you guys can see now it is rebooting. We see the logo, and soon we should see the Lenovo logo, and after that everything will be ready. So all we wait for right now is the logo. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and go to the settings. So let's wait for the tablet to turn on every single app. Now we're gonna go over into the settings. Here we can search for some apps. We're gonna search for our settings, and while we are in the settings app, we're gonna scroll down and go over to the battery. So the battery here actually has the battery percentage option, and as you guys can see, once I turn this off, you cannot see my battery, but once I turn it on, the battery is clearly seen everywhere. And if you go over to the control center, on some devices you can still see percentage even if you turn this off right here in the status bar, but it's not working like that on the Lenovo. So even if you have this enabled and you do not see your battery percentage, or it's showing a 0, what you guys want to do next is go over to the Play Store and search for the app called Battery Widget Reborn. So we got the Battery Widget and now the Reborn. This app should be made by Thomas Hubalik. This is the app right here. And this app is one of the best apps for the battery widget. I've been testing it for a couple of months now, and it is definitely superior. So let's click open. And now we're going to click start manually right here. Click on consent. And what are we going to do now is we're going to hold the finger here. We're going to add widgets. And now we're going over to Battery Widget Reborn 2020. And here we got everything. As you guys can see, let's click on the plus icon. We got the widget confirmed. It should be. And it's right here. So let's click done. And we got our battery widget that we can move, let's say here. Now, the battery is matching here, definitely. But if you still see 0 or you do not see anything, then I would recommend going into the authorized device support center and tell them about the issue, because it's a probably not working battery sensor. So it is very easy to repair, and all they have to do is simply strip your device. Not even apart, but still it should take around less than an hour. And if you got warranty, then it's a free repair, so you shouldn't be worried about anything. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.